Thina emajiteni, I don't know ngalama-gents akhula no. Thina we always heard that police emajiteni ukuthi mawuyimpintshi yami awukwazi ukujola edladleni. Because mawujola umntana esedladleni, you know when you're in your 20s, ujola umntana esedladleni. Mina nawe siyavaya somewhere siyindaweni sibona abanye abantwana. Sesifuna ukubabamba.
No,
And wena ujola edladleni.
leyo ngiyayizwa na Bright, but mina angithi lawo njengami ngazi asiphume sifuna amanye ama-cherry and uyangazi ukuthi umuntu kanjani yabo. Asikho isikhathi yabo, asinginaso isikhathi sokuthi mhlawumbe sengiseklapini ngofuna iy'ngane angiphumi ngale mangiphuma ngihamba nabo siya lapho wonke umuntu ubuye ngabambile akekho futhi sosiye ngokuthi kuyokwenziwa lokho akekho umuntu oyobamba yabo.
Thina besifast bekunayidea ukuthi imfethu awukwazi ukujola edladleni.
Yeah, no, I understand their point.
Because manje sesiyabona so double cross umntana esedladleni nami ngikhona khona la sekumele ngithule.
I think ngathi njalo ne-generation ethi njalo ukuthi nje njengoba sisho ngiyaqala uku-experience le nto lelo Chris udavana nawe sifasi 3 years bheke insaza yabo ngikuphapha ngithele insaza yini zingimangalele lezi
yabona Scarface yazi Scarface movie uScarface ushaya ilady impintshi yakhe for yona lady ngiyatshela ukuthi get away from my sister le yabona ibhizi emva ka sister kanti izosuka washaya ngegana
Ufela ubani
because kokunye singasho ukuthi uyikhuza ngoba uyayazi ukuthi awutheke out into
yazi ukuthi le ilast
mina ngazi uma ngikhathele noma kanje manje anginawo anginayo energy.
Besides, I don't blame you.
I think it's card, man. You know, when you not necessarily skhathi sokuthi busy, but as you age, certain things they start nje not meaning much as they did before. And the more cooler, the more focus you get empilweni yakho, and you just avoid certain distractions, especially a distraction that will make you lose money at the end of the day. Yeah, but not unless you want someone that you can fully commit to. Then if that's the case, then I by any means do right. Yeah, but if you focused empilweni yakho and you just want to achieve a certain goal, and you feel ukuthi you having a partner empilweni yakho, it will mess things up, then just don't. Just do you and continue doing you.
There's nothing in the market now.
No.
There isn't. There isn't. I mean, like I
fully disagree.
Ngikhathele noma kanje manje anginawo anginayo energy.
Besides, I don't blame you. There's nothing in the market now. There isn't. There isn't.
And it's crazy that guys about it, there's nothing in the market are guys who attract the same type of women, but expecting those women to be different. It's like uhambe uyohlala ethaveni, but you see ukuthi umshado awutholi ethaveni, but you keep expecting that umshado uzophuma ethaveni. Then when you get out from that zone, more advice abantu, you tell abantu ukuthi there's nothing in the market. It's not necessarily you dating different women in different aspects of life, but it's about you attracting umuntu one, the same character every now and then, that you feel ukuthi there's nothing out there. So the problem is not with the females, but the problem is with Ike, the type of people that he attracts.
I mean, like I usually say, thina majita, there are things that we consistently want. We don't change. No matter the economy, we want a particular type of a woman. And those women, they're no longer there. The situation, it has changed. The setup has changed. Women are now masculine in the main. And you can see now, most women are not raised by their fathers. They've never seen a relationship between a mother and a father.
No one.
And the job market, women are more empowered, ahead of men. And obviously, it changes the character. I mean, now women are drinking. In the past, women were not drinking. Women now, they want to go to a whole face.
I was avoiding to stop the scanning, but I totally disagree with Ike. Totally disagree. For him to even say, Guti, most women grew up in environments where they don't witness love between a mother and a father. It's all about women. Most of South African people or South Africans, or it's a pandemic of the world. Yeah, but it's only a few that get to witness uthando laka mama no baba closer. It's only a few. Not yes, guys, we did not witness that, and we just took a a decision or a choice. ukuthi this is how I will treat a woman, and this is how I'll be there for my kids, and this is how I will love the people that I hold close to my heart. And for him to say ukuthi the women are no longer like the women before, simply because the women of today are not raised, or they have not witnessed uthando lukamama nothando lukababa, then I disagree, man. Our mothers were worse, far worse. Our grandfathers were not there at all, and they still held the family down. And what's insane ukuthi you say abamanje, they don't see the love of a mother and a father under the same roof, yet you go back and compare them to women that have never at all spent even a single hour of their time just in getting advice from their fathers, and those women are our mothers today. Yeah, so I totally disagree with that point there.
Ahead of men, and obviously it changes the character. I mean, now women are drinking. In the past, women were not drinking.
They were still drinking
Women
in the
now,
past.
they want to go to a whole face. And all those things, zizenza ukuthi zibenza ukuthi bangabi eligible. Tina, we don't want a woman who's been pierced around all over every guy, uyomshaya. You don't want that. So women have changed character. That's why when when was the last time you saw a wedding? Imotos indlu that's decorated. You don't see that. Yeah, you only see my funerals, after tears. Yeah.
Fair point.
Basibiza nama-gender reveal nale enye lebayibiza le maba-celebrator or pre-celebration baby shower. And from there, that's it. Labor is pop them with babies, and then there are no marriages. So the setup is like that. Yeah.
Shower baby mama. Father uza ne-girlfriend yakhe.
Yeah.
So kwama
Noma uthi uyehlisa i-age, mina nolasi kunelinye engingalithola i-2K. Abantu ngongibhema bathi Grootman 2K. I want young, and bayakhala laba abanye
Hey,
bathi
but
ukuthi
if you watch Chris on this comment, you can tell ukuthi he's not happy with what he's saying, that he's dating someone born around the 2K era, which is year 2000s. He's really, I won't say what he's not happy, but he did not expect it from Ike. And I hate to say it, but it's giving. I mean, Ike dating a 2K age difference is huge, considering the fact that he's a lawyer and advocate. It's giving step in the name of love.
abantu ngongibhema bathi Grootman 2K.
You see, check it, Chris.
I want young, and bayakhala laba abanye bathi ukuthi kunganomnyani, but they forget ukuthi bona they were young at some point. They were chasing older men. Women, they can balance because women, they mature quicker. And it's nice, guys. We want fertility. I want youth because it comes with fertility. And I mean, what am I going to do with somebody who's 52 or 54? Menopause. I mean, I still want to expand, the generation, the legacy. And I don't want the family say, Nigerian, who's a baby father with Nigerian. So, what we actually see age, I'm done at 25, going on 26, you're in 6 grand. I'm fed good morning, I'm for Stan. I just tell you, I should tell you, at least. Grootman, out in Polish, hey, sometimes I need to long is some, yeah, you couldn't see as in Tonga was long is, I want to feel it. I need money for electricity for uvelushiye kunjalo nje yabo mina ngifuna umuntu onama problems weimali ngakusiza lana but ungazinenkinga zeyimali
nanokuthi naprakhi vele mosaqala sokungitshela ngama problems
no utshela makathanda ngeke akutshele ngemali sisuka nje yabo because uthaya ukuthi angakubalekisi manje lo kancane baby I miss you imali baby when am I going to see imali ebhazi wangikhinya kokugcina ke makathi you know that I do have a child mina ngiyashintsha mfethu nasebusweni ya noma sihlele ekareni kusithi isifuba sami ngathi siyatopela ya bengijabulile yazi le concentration yabaleka ya kusithi manje makathi no I do have a child yabona nemibizo yami ayisekho yabona ya
When I won't lie, man, that thing of him dating about 2K, it just threw me off. Because of me, here's my theory. I don't have a problem with female dating older men, and I don't have a problem with older men dating younger women. But imagine the more I listen to Ike, how he reasons what he says, how he acts, and how he dresses. Once you date someone younger and you are older, there's two things that are happening then. If you are 40 and you are dating someone that's 20, it's either when on a 40, your character and how you process into it has dropped to the level of people who are 20. Hence, mawubona umuntu ona 20, you feel comfortable around them. You feel like these are your peers. You feel right at home. Or the one who's 20, it's either a character yakhe and how she or he processes into has matured to an extent of people who are 40 years. Hence, when they are with their peers, abana 20, they feel ukuthi they are with kids because they have matured much more quicker. Nabana abantu abadala, they feel ukuthi this is the age group, this is the people I can play with. But the way Ike dresses, how he jokes around, about how he reasons, then you can tell ukuthi it's actually him that is about it's just giving those vibes. It's just giving those vibes.
You know, that the interest is gone. Yasengiyabuza, where's the father? Manje time yabo, hayi time. Yabo i-time manje ngeke lingilwise manje ngibona now hayi awuthi nje grand is chilled. Hey, I'm no longer there mina yabo. And futhi moto uzobheka nawe uthi yakhona phela thina siyajajana uzothola ukuthi uzikomota moto yo my
Yabo,
goodness.
such things, such comments. Phela thina siyajajana ngothatha ubheka uScott. Such comments, you can tell nje mentally that he is in the 2K era.
Manje ngibona now hayi awuthi nje grand is chilled. Hey, I'm no longer there mina yabo. And futhi moto uzobheka nawe uthi yakhona phela thina siyajajana uzothola ukuthi uzikomota moto yo my goodness. Manje I must deal with this guy. If phela nginalo mntwana listen.
Yeah, you have to deal with that.
Ngiyakuthrowa kusho ukuthi forever ngizodila nale out le out le ku-picture. I've been there mfethu many a times
You don't
in those
have to
situations
deal
I
with the
don't
guy,
want to find
man.
myself in those situations. I was not tailor-made for that situation ukuthi lokuthi my baby daddy did this, he was here. Omunye uhamba nomntwana e-Eastern Cape, babe ukuphi athi hayi ndila kutata wabantwana bami naw lapho yeah hayi athi hayi kunomsebenzi apho ulalapho.
Let's just call it's fairy tales. Fairy tales. Once a woman commits to another man, ubaba bantwana bakafuna umntwana because of khona umsebenzi kubo, that woman will simply give the child to the father. As long as umntwana azohamba safe, umntwana abuya safe. Those are the two things that matter, and those are the two things that are very important. You don't have to go with the father of the kids as a woman if you're no longer dating the person. You don't have to. So listen to ayikazikhulumayo yezwa nje ukuthi iy'tori zase high school, man. It's just nje fairy tales, man.
Wena athi handi lalapho phela utata wabantwana bami. Yes kuphela.
And you're touching such a good point. Bekune post at circulator on Facebook. Umjida ukhulisa ingane kune stepchild
Yeah.
esentombazana,
Yeah.
stepdaughter ya. So inangizana kuthiwa lo baba lo wazama beyenza belokuyikhisa awuchaza.
uthi ugirl uthi the stepfather ugirl wenza nentombazana bashadile, then the stepfather uyamkhulisa obuyasuka umntana,
Yeah.
umthethe njengomntanakhe, so uyenza lento yokuthi umncabuze umntwana omncane umncabuze as a father, hayi lo mncane lokusika ngoba umncabuze yabona. So ugirl wakhuza umjida athi mfethu cela ukuthi uncabuze ingcisi yami, you're not a biological father. So ugayi wathula wavuma zange amlwise, wathi ugirl athi a few weeks later umntana wagula, wayethi udoctor Thoth uqase kamkhiphile ku-medical aid umntwana.
Yes sir.
Sakayambuza ukuthi hawu manje athi I'm not a biological father. Angazi nini check-a futhi sikamkhiphela ngumapholisa, ukhiphele nje into zakho guy.
And akasekho manje, yeah.
Ayithulele
Manje usemtreat nje umntwana
Also, Nalena, it's the line that was drawn by Umama Mntwana. She honestly didn't have to. She honestly didn't have to, especially if the kisses were innocent. Even if the kisses were triggering some sort of emotions, kuye, the right way to approach it is to explain ukuthi how you feel when you see him kissing the child, and how you would like to see things happening, instead of just nje spitting it out and say ukuthi don't kiss umntwana because of you not the father of that child. There's two things, or there's one thing that is happening in such a story. Either umntwana ubewatshela the biological father ukuthi the stepdad enjoys kissing him, when the stepdad is happy or bought something for Mdwan, or when they treat each other, whatever the situation is that will make a dad kiss a child, the stepdad will do that. And umntwana makaxoxela maybe the biological father, then he was the one who had a problem with it, and then called the mother of the child and said, I don't want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the mother of the child has to address the message with the stepdad, because if you can't address it with the child, izobuyela futhi kubaba umntwana. So you have to address it with the stepdad and say, Guti, this is the situation. But how she handled this thing, I mean, Nami, if I was the guy, I think I would have done the same, just to show her Guti, she doesn't have to benefit me where it suits you the most. If Niba Baba Mtwanin, yabo. Also, it should also benefit the family as a whole if you allow me just to be a dad and be able to be happy for my kids, be able to love my kids the way I want to love them. Yabo. So, la nje ugele,
Bekaza
fade.
kuthiwa ubaba wentombazane.
Yeah, manje ayisekho la idea.
Ayisekho la idea.
Ugele uthi how do I fix this?
But
Kunzima ukukhuza bro, because
I
nazo le
can't
ntwana
fix.
lezi
kanti uthi abangene. Yeah.
kunzima bro, because nayo le ntwana lethu ukuthi mfethu itime layo nje linye ihlonga ndlebe, because remember the first babies, these women noba benza, they're still young, abakabi slim, and what they think ukuthi it's it, this guy is an it guy, thola ukuthi nje iwaza nje le out, because the criteria abayuzayo in their 20s is not the same criteria that they will
They
need
use-
in their 30s, because women, they want a different man in all the stages of their lives. In their teens, it's about maybe a guy who's cool, good looking, or kubo kunento ezithize.
I just want to check if I'm still okay, it's recording.
In their
Wasn't
early
sure
20s, they
ukuthi
want a
upressing.
different man. In their 30s, they want a different guy. That's why I'm not going to mina sengifuna nje umuntu nje yabo ozongithanda yabo provide 1, 2, 3. In their 40s, they
Mm,
want
I
into
agree.
ezithize. In their
I agree with him
30s,
there.
it's not the same criteria that they will
They
need
use-
in their 30s, because
Yeah.
women, they want a different man in all the stages of their lives. In their teens, it's about maybe a guy who's cool, good looking, or kubo kunento ezithize. In their early 20s, they want a different man. In their 30s, they want a
They want
different
a
guy. That's why
settle.
I'm not going to mina sengifuna nje umuntu nje yabo ozongithanda
Mm.
yabo provide 1, 2, 3. In their 40s, they want something else. No more we are with divorce, they want something else. So
So basically, what Ike is saying, Uguti, if there's a woman that you like and she's not giving you attention just because of when you're a nice guy, just give it time. Give it time. Ungapheli umoya. Approach her when she's approaching 40 years. Lapo, she's looking for a guy that is willing to settle down and give her the attention and give her a kaya where it will be filled with love, joy, and laughter, and she just wants to settle down. So if there's any female oitanda and you feel ukuthi you're not getting the attention that you want from that person, just give her time. Approach her, magati 37, 38, then step in. Step in.
man, I'm gonna deal with this guy. Mistake ayenze, and when she was a teen or in the 20s, now this guy is here. Nama-jeans wakhe nawa la kule ntwana le ngezwa uma uthi uyakhuza la iyagijima seyile uyikhuza la seyibambe leya PC idlala nge-mic ihlonga ndlebe uma lokhu ilandelela kuba ngathi wena awufuna umntwana. So I don't want mina those things. Ikudala ngiba kulowo ma-situation. Omunye mfethu ubaba umntwana sekamthathile esikoleni, lo mama ustress, yabo sekuyaliwa court, now I must be there. No. Mina ngenda. Mina I'm a man. I can have many kids. I'll still not settle with a woman with a child because akufani. People banokuthi manawunabo ngithi anginabo, but mina there'll never be a situation where I go to another woman ngithi please assist my children with the school fees, assist my children with 1, 2, 3. Banobo mama baba. And the chances are that she may never meet them unless mhlambe kunenye situation mhlambe kushoniwe or yabo kushone mina whatever. But on the day to day, mina ngizoloko ngiyibona le out. Yabo nangu umntwana uyagraduate asekhona na uyathrowa. So I don't want to deal with another man. Mina ngiqale relationship, ask a woman.
But it's not fair for him to say that, because the people that are dating the women that she has given kids to have to deal with the presence yakhe. Not unless he's saying what he's an absent dad. Not unless he's saying that he's an absent father. Umntwana makagraduate akekho. But if he's a present father, it means ukuthi the person that is dating the woman that she has given or given kids to, it means ukuthi that guy is dealing with his presence. Yet yena, he doesn't want to deal with that in his situation. It's not fair. It's not fair. If you do not want a situation go away, avoid doing it to others. That shows how much you dislike that situation, that you even avoiding to do it to others because of you don't want it go away. But if you are doing it to others, yet you don't want it go away, it means that you have a problem, my guy.
Is there a man in your life? No. We go into the future. Makathi kunepari, hayi, ngizoshaya nje yabo. Yeah, for entertainment.
So manje uthini bra kubantu aba in the situation yokuba i-stepfather?
Ngiyababongela. Ngiyababongela. They are strong. I'm not discouraging anyone, but for me, ngiyazazi ukuthi njani mina yabo. Yeah, I cannot deal with situation ekunenye indoda, because once a woman I know baby daddy, that man will live rent free inside that woman's mind and heart, no matter what you do. Ukhona kuyafana ukuthi ushadile naye, you know, because bane something abahlanganisayo for life. They share something ongeke bahlukanise. So I mean, I don't want to find myself in those situations.
Yep, you can check out the rest of the show. I think it's the Chris podcast or daily podcast per Ike. And yeah, man, I think 80% of his does Kulumila. I totally disagree with him. It's only the 20% where he says Uguti, as a woman gets older, they want different things in life. It's the same as us guys. When you are young or when you are in school, you want the hottest female in school or the hottest lady in school. When you are done with school, you just want someone who can be able to introduce you to certain things and a certain life or whatever the situation is. And then as you go older, then you also want to settle down. You also want to start thinking of family. You also want to start thinking of marriage. Nazo zonke lezi zinto lezo. I mean, he also doesn't date a woman that has kids. But it's something that he came across maybe on his late or early 30s. But before that, I'm sure he was dating women that have kids easily. So I understand. But my experiences and ney'fundo esizitholayo empilweni, they end up changing how you process izinto, how you act upon things, and the decisions that you take about impilo yakho, they are fully influenced by the things that you are surrounded with. And for him to end up saying, Guti, this is what I don't want for myself, it means Guti, he was once in that space. And then why experience and experience rangayo, and that he was able to say, this I don't want in my space. But if you're living that experience that he's talking about and you're having fun with it, like, man, it's your life. Continue doing it. It's a beautiful thing to be a stepdad because not only you are fathering a child that maybe omunye umuntu could not do it, but you're also giving that child opportunities that someone else might have not been able to give to that child. So being a stepdad is not about ukukhulisa umntwana, but it's about teaching. It's about making sure that you grant them enough opportunities so that kusasa nabo, they will find it easier to give back to the community because of one person was able to sacrifice himself or herself to make sure that they are okay. That's nje my view about stepfathers. Not in Yoguti we party and stuff like that. But yeah, as I said, you can check out the rest of the show. Go Chris Daily, I think it's Daily Hustle Podcast. Signing out.